Aloha! Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. We got a great episode today. Mookie and I are going to go to A&W and get a whistle dog. What's that, Mookie? Well, Mookie says that's what they used to call her because she was such a good-looking dog that other dogs would whistle at her. But Whistle Dog is here for a limited time only. It's something I had as a child, and it's an amazing hot dog with bacon and cheddar. So we'll go check that out. Then after that, we got Appies with Chappy by the lake. But first up, I'm going to do a shout out. This shout out goes to Freedomsufferer Cards. My man does everything. He has amazing collections. He does openings of sports cards, and he writes his own music. So go check out Freedomsufferer Cards. A while back, he got COVID, so Mookie and I sent him a get well card with a care package. So I'm going to put the link either down in the description or up there, or maybe both. We'll see. And on this episode of Freedomsufferer Cards, he opens up the get well card that Mookie sent him. Anyways, we got a great episode, so we're off to A&W. All right, let's see what we got here. Now this costs $6.99 Canadian, but it is a big hot dog. Oh yeah. Now I was gonna doctor it up with some easy cheese, and then I had some hot dog chili sauce, but looks pretty good. It's got the cheese in the middle and 2 strips of bacon, or well, that's maybe 1 strip of bacon, and then that relish. Might get a little yellow mustard and call it lunch. What do you think, Mookie? I think it looks excellent. Aloha! Welcome to Appies with Chappy by the lake. Today for appetizers we have samosas. So if you don't know, according to Wiki, a samosa is a South Asian fried or baked pastry with a savory filling like spiced potatoes, onions, peas, chicken, or other meats or lentils. It may take different forms, including triangular cones or half-shaped moons, depending on the region. Samosas are often accompanied by chutney and have origins in medieval times or earlier. And then it also says samosas are a popular entree, appetizer, or snack in the local cuisines of South Asia, Western Asia, Southeastern Asia, the Mediterranean, and Africa. These are East Indian samosas. I got them from a restaurant, and they're vegetarian. So this one has potatoes and green peas and a nice spicy curry, and they're quite lovely. All right, so with Appies with Chappy by the lake, we need a beverage. So today I'm going to make a Captain's Blood. It's actually a Martini style drink. So I have my Martini glass here. I have my trusty cocktail shaker. Put a little bit of ice in there. So for my Captain's Blood Martini, we have 1 1/2 ounce of dark rum. a 1/4 ounce of fresh lime juice, a 1/4 ounce of simple syrup, and 2 dashes of bitters. I have some Angostura bitters. All right, we'll give that a shaky. And we're going to give that a strain. No dirty dumps today. And that, my friends, is a Captain's Blood Martini to go with my Indian samosas. Thanks for watching another edition of Chappy's Tiki Bar. Make sure you hit that notification bell. We got a new episode every Friday. This is Chappy saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.